Hello. Today, in this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions while typing. Let's see how to do it. First, open your Instagram app. On the right bottom side, click on the profile icon. Now click on the right top side 3 lines icon. Here click on Your Activity. Now the option you are seeing here, Recent Searches. Click on it. Here you can see your search list you searched before. Just click on Clear All. Click on First option. Now go to Back and click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. At the end of the page, you will see the option Help. Click on it. Now click on Report a Problem. Here you can shake your phone, and if you don't want to shake your phone, so just click on the second option. Here choose whatever you want. I'm clicking on the second option. Here just briefly explain your problem that you face. Click on the top right Send button. It's done. The Instagram team will act on the problem you describe and you will not get search suggestions while typing. Surely this video helped you a lot. If yes, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with others. Thanks for watching.